We about to get on them.
Hopefully. We're jinxed.
It's about to get real
We're here
juicy.
at Ron the Woodman's. Gonna go try and get us a big bad thunder chicken.
Well, yes, sir, action.
He said if we kill 2, we have to give him 1, so fuck.
This guy loves taking our stuff.
Yeah, last year,
It's kind of a bully.
off
Hopefully
topic,
he
but
doesn't
last
watch
year
this.
we came here and we mushroom hunted for like 2 hours and he took all of them. So, he's that guy.
We'll see what we can do. I think I heard one gobble. Okay, I'll tell you what he does right now. He's just standing out there. Oh, he's coming in closer. He came from like across the field. It looks like. I think I see him out there. Yeah, dude. Are they far left?
Yeah, way left.
Come on in, babies. It's getting the boys horned up. Don't move. They're coming in. He's coming in. Got him, dude. You got it. Got it. You got it. God. You did it, dude. You did it, man. Get him again, dude. Oh my God, Chris. Oh, he's freaking out. Get the decoys. Get the decoys. you, man. Oh, you got all the decoys. All right. Hell yeah. Give me some skin. Oh. All right. Finally got Damon his first turkey here, and it's a pretty nice tom. It's got about looks like a 7-inch beard.
7, yeah.
Pretty nice beard. A good fan, and his spurs back here. Let's see. That one's pretty good. He's a young tom. That one got messed up in a fight or something, but he's a young tom. He's nice. Earlier this morning too, whenever the sun was coming up, we actually had about 5 toms out in the middle of the field. We could see them out there, and they just kept gobbling, but they never came into the decoys. I think they got too sketched out. Damon tried reaping them, but they were out of the field, and then these 4 hens came in, and these 2 toms behind it, and they came out of nowhere. They weren't part of the other toms, but I think they came from across the field. But finally got it done, so congratulations, Damon.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you.
All right, finished product.
Yeah, it'd be pretty.
Mm-hmm.